Hello students, today we are going to learn problem classification. There are four types of problem classification: P, NP, NP hard, NP complete problems. P, NP, NP hard and NP complete problems are classes that any problem would fall under or would be classified as polynomial problem. P problem refer to problem where an algorithm would take a polynomial amount of time to solve, or where big O is a polynomial, that is big O of 1, big O of n, big O of n square, etc. These are problems that would be considered easy to solve and thus do not generally have immense run times. Second is NP, that means non-deterministic polynomial problem. Non-deterministic polynomial problem were a little harder for me to understand, but I think this is what they are. In terms of solving NP problem, the runtime would not be polynomial, it would be something like big O of n factorial or something much larger. However, this class of problems can be given a specific solution, and checking the solution would have a polynomial runtime. An example that helped me understand this little better was a Sudoku game. In order to solve this entire puzzle, the algorithm would have to check each 3 by 3 matrix to see which number are missing, then each row, then each column, and then make sure there are no repetitions of any digit from 0 to 9. This becomes more complex because of the number of digits that are missing is inconsistent. In each row, column and matrix, that is top left matrix is missing 4 digits while top right matrix is missing 8 digits. Solving this problem would not have a polynomial runtime. However, if you were to feed this puzzle with a possible solution, it would be much less complex to check if there are any repetition in the rows, columns and the matrices. This is a simple check which would have a polynomial runtime. In essence, NP class problem don't have a polynomial runtime to solve, but have a polynomial runtime to verify solutions. That means difficult to solve, easy to check a given answer. Now we will discuss about reduction. Reduction, I can't really explain this one outside of using example. So we have two problems, A and B, and we know problem B is a P class problem. That means polynomial class problem. If problem A can be reduced or converted to a problem B, and this reduction takes a polynomial amount of time, then we can say that A is also P class problem. A is a reducible to B. This concept is important to understand for the other two classes of problems. Third is NP hard problems. A problem is classified as a NP hard when an algorithm for solving it can be translated to solve any NP problem. Then we can say this problem is at least as hard as any NP problem, but it could be much harder or more complex. For problem is NP complete problem. NP complete problems are problems that live in both NP and NP hard classes. This means the NP complete problem can be verified in a polynomial time, and that any NP problem can be reduced to this problem in polynomial time. Below is a Venn diagram of a different class basis. In this Venn diagram, there are different classes. In NP class, we can include P class, that means polynomial class, and NP hard is our next class. But intersection of NP class and NP hard class, we can achieve the class of NP complete. That means intersection of NP and NP hard, we can get NP complete class. Thank you students for watching my video.